Yeah, hi. Some earthquake watch and comparisons. I want to talk about this region here, Albstadt region, I call it. We have the Kaiserstuhl volcano beside it. So, the three quakes happened. Germany, Switzerland. Okay, Germany, Switzerland. Whatever that means. It's obviously in Germany. Another one, 19 kilometers. So why is it orange? Yeah, it is actually. And then Albstadt, 3 kilometers in depth. And near Albstadt, we have this region here, which is gray for some reason. I don't know why. There's nowhere else any similar patch of gray. I don't know. That's a picture from the gravity anomaly layer of Google Earth. And those layers just work on a computer. And since I'm not a nerd, I had to take a picture with my camera. And the region we are talking about is somewhat here. Probably a bit more to the north. It's approximately where the hand is. Stuttgart, Tübingen, Reutlingen. And Reutlingen is quite close to Albstadt. So, this means gravity anomaly, the red things, these are basically mountains. Or there is the crust is thick, and the blue zones are those where the crust is thin. Yeah, that's maps map what I found. And here, where you have the cluster of quakes, is Albstadt. And there's certain kind of patterns, of course, along the Rhine River, also here from the lake Bodensee. And here, and we have these kind of lines. That's really fascinating. I haven't checked yet now any of those. I will put a link below to this card application thing because there's quite much knowledge and I just started to dig. And here is Albstadt. And again, one line, a second line, and here somehow a third line of quakes. And here's another somewhat cluster. That's the place where the volcano is, I guess. I'm not exactly sure. So there has been many quakes. I have to say I don't know exactly what time period, what those different colors mean. Size is the size, the depth, or the magnitude. I don't know. But there is something going on. There's one here, one big here, and we have also this kind of a circular structure to the whole thing, which is also really interesting. But now to something completely different. Earthquakes and volcanoes. Yeah, I think it's safe to talk about them. Maybe. We are somewhere southern of Kamchatka. a deeper one, 52 kilometers, and then we had a swarm of some kind, 5.3, 10 kilometers in depth or something. And there has been a few quakes there today. One deeper one, this one, 25 kilometers. So we have many volcanoes, and we go over here to check something because I noticed this white patch here. So I went over to Google Earth. Good old Google Earth. It would be much more fun to do this with a computer, but like flying around and showing stuff is much easier on Google Earth with a computer. But anyway, we have valleys and there's pictures. And that's not the same volcano. This is the white patch, but I went over to the right. And then if you zoom in a bit, there are those pictures. And this one with a really nice title, Boiling Sulfur Acid River. Thank you, Albstadt. Really cool. So, I was talking quite much about geothermal activity and Middle Europe being really active geothermally spoken. Rhyolite lava is the most silica-rich of volcanic rocks. It is generally glassy or fine-grained. In an otherwise fine-grained ground mass, the mineral assemblage is predominantly quartz, sanidine, and plagioclase. It is the extrusive equivalent to granite. Magma with a composition of rhyolite is extremely viscous due to its high silica content. This favors explosive eruptions or effusive eruptions, so rhyolitic magma is often erupted as pyroclastic rock than as lava flows. Rhyolite ash flow tuffs are among the most voluminous of continental igneous rock formations. So, rhyolitic pumice finds use as an abrasive in concrete and as a soil amendment. I guess you can find this in other colors too. I mean, much more white or even more red, or, you know, fluctuations also in colors. Yeah, I don't know where I have been. I was searching now this. Donnersberg in Germany. I will put a link below. You can read that, but I just wanted to show you it is here. Here we have the Lachersee Volcano. Hello? Where is it? It is really important that I can show it here. Type Cryptodome, Germany. Lava Dome, Wikipedia. Dome dynamics, Cryptodomes. Donnersberg in Germany is a cryptodome, according to Wikipedia. It is a dome-shaped structure created by accumulation of viscous magma at a shallow depth. Hence, rhyolithic magma, probably. One example of a cryptodome was in the May 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens, where the explosive eruption began after a landslide caused the site of the volcano to fall. leading to explosive decompression of the subterranean cryptodome. Okay, that's whatever Kamchatka or it is. Let's go back to Germany. Albstadt region. Okay, here's Albstadt on the right. And all the three quakes. One, two, three. And if you zoom in, white. It's also white. And I'm talking about what you can see through the top layer, the green. And those patches, they are everywhere. I just wanted to point out that is it possible that there is also some cryptodomes thing, like how many cryptodomes we have, no one knows about. Donnersberg is somewhere here. Albstadt, Donnersberg, where we have a cryptodome. Cryptodome. Really interesting. I leave it here. Thanks. Bye.